Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix unable to download Roblox from Microsoft Store guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First you just need to open up Microsoft Store. You just need to make sure you have signed in to Microsoft Store. If you not, you just need to sign in. After sign in to the Microsoft Store, try to downloading Roblox guys. If you are already signed in, you just need to then try sign out and then log in back to your Microsoft account guys. If this solution doesn't work for you, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to clear the cache from the Microsoft Store guys. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in here you just need to type WSRESET, press enter. Now this will help you to clear the Microsoft Store cache files guys. If any bugs or issues prevent, it will help you to fix it guys. After doing this, check your problem resolved or not. Third solution is to check for Windows Update. To do this, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it. Click on check for updates. If any available updates over here, you just need to update it guys. Fourth solution is to reset the Microsoft Store guys. To do this, go to search menu and type installed app. Click on open it guys. You just need to search for Microsoft Store. Click on the three dot icon over here and select advanced option. You just need to scroll down. Select the reset option and reset it guys. After resetting Microsoft Store, now try to download Roblox guys. Now check your problem resolved or not. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.